So finally, let's talk about zooming. Actually, every camera in a mobile phone or tablet can zoom. I'll try to do that, but it's not really a good idea. Maybe you can see it's not the most clear picture at the moment. So what we recommend if you really want to zoom is actually that you slowly walk towards the person, and that's because the zoom function on a tablet or a mobile phone isn't really that great. So now this looks much nicer. And if you for some reason forgot that you wanted to zoom into this nice and friendly face, you might do it in your video editing program. That will actually also be much better than using the zoom function.